Oh, just doing a little winterizing on some of the things in the garage. Getting them ready for winter, I should say. And decided I'll pull out the big Ford and let her run and rinse her off a little bit. 74 Ford F350 Super Camper Special. $44,000 original miles, original paint, except for I have a feeling maybe there was a little touch up on this cowl at one point in its life, but otherwise all original interior. This cover's been on it since it was brand new. Original engine and transmission, never been out of it. I've got the original pieces, but I did have some spare pieces chromed a little to dress it up, but I have all the original ones. Original factory markings. This was special ordered by a family in Albuquerque. The father special ordered it from, I think it's Richards or Richardson Ford. They're still in business, but he special ordered it with every option except it has an AM radio and it does not have intermittent wipers, but it's got factory air, the XLT, the 460. It's loaded. There's the side tire carrier that's unique to the 350. That rear bumper is a Ford Contour bumper that I put on. It had an ugly aftermarket bumper on it, so I did have that put on. The topper is a Ford, specific for these model generation of pickups. This is a deluxe topper. It has the aluminum trim and sliding windows. Just sits in the garage now. I used to take it to car shows several years back, but I haven't done that in quite a while. original Ford from turnbuckles that were part of the package as well. Albuquerque truck, no rust. I've owned it for the past 12 years. These unique, odd Ford wheel covers are 15-inch, and they have a snap ring so that it fits into the 16.5-inch rims, which were original to this truck, but they're obsolete now. But that's how they managed to get the deluxe wheel covers onto the 16.5. Those are not original to the truck. I have a mint set of the, I guess they're called dog dish Ford, original Ford dog dish wheel covers that came with it, that are specific to the 1-ton. And if you don't know what the difference is the 1-ton has a much larger dog dish roll that sticks out, because underneath there the lug, the axle is sticks out quite a bit, so a standard F350 dog dish will not cover it. So there's a special set of dog dish for the 1-ton. Well, that's it. I just decided to start her up, rinse her off, and take her back in the garage. But thank you for watching.